It's true that to learn is a great mitzvah. It's true that to pray is a wonderful mitzvah. But in different hours, when you're at lockdown, when you are obligated to bring parnasah, money to your family, and you're obligated to work, when you need to take your children to the kindergarten, if you need to take them to some errands, if you need to, God forbid, to go to a hospital, to go to visit friends, you have certain things you need to do. You need to stop at the gas station to fill your tank. You need to go and buy pants for yourself, for your children, for your family. You have certain things you must do. Why you are cutting those hours, those minutes, those days of your life from Hashem? If you will be truthful, like we said, Hashem is close to everyone who calls him with truth. Call Hashem. Tell him, listen, Hashem, I'm stuck. I'm stuck in traffic now. Can you hang out with me? Can you be here with me? Hashem is with you. If you'll tell Hashem, listen, Hashem, I want to be with you, but now I need to go to the grocery store. But now I need to go to the factory. Now I need to go to my office. Now I need to go in a cab. Now I need to go and fill my tank with gasoline. Hashem, can you be with me? I'm honest with you, Hashem. I don't want to be alone. Hashem, I want to have faith. Hashem, I want to think about you. In that moment, Hashem reveals His face and shining His face on you. And like that, you can be attached and glued to Hashem in 24 hours of your day, in 7 days of the week, in 30 days of the month, in 365 days of the year. Every moment, before you go to sleep, you say, okay, but if I go to sleep now, okay, so before you go to sleep, say Kriyat Shema, say to Hashem, listen, Hashem, I'm about to go to sleep, and I know for sure in 100% that I'm going to lose control, I'm going to lose my awareness, my connection to reality, I'm going to get into a deep sleep, into a dark place that is considered as 1 out of 60 like death. I don't know what's going to happen to me, if I'm going to be protected. If not, I can only call you. I can only ask you, please Hashem, help me, protect me when I'm going to sleep. Hover upon me, heal me, protect me, stay by my side. Protect me, protect my family, protect all the people that I care about. All the world, protect the squirrels, protect the deers, protect the birds. Just open your heart in a simple request to Hashem, and if you'll do that, Hashem will be there for you.
שום דבר כבר לא יעצור אותי מלהגיע